Hi everyone, this is Sandy Creating the Heart, and I'm back with a really large card share. Some of these I already shared, so let me get these out of the way. I used the Cardztv card kit that I hauled in a previous video, and so my goal was to make as many cards as I could out of the kit. So the kit comes with 12 6x6 sheets of printed paper. And I still have 2 sheets left. So I used 10 sheets of 6x6 paper. I used the cardstock that came in the kit. I think I have a small piece of orange left. And I used the cut aparts that came in the kit, the die cuts, the stamps, as well as the enamel dots, and then other stamps and things from my Halloween stash. So I'm going to go through the cards really quickly to show you what I made out of that one card kit. So this is the first one, and this one uses both die cuts here as well as a stamp from the stamp set and some enamel dots. I think that one came out really cute. And then this one is using the paper as well as a stamped image. Now I actually had partially colored this image and it was sitting on my desk, so I went ahead and used that. And this is a stamp from the card kit, and then I also use some of the purple enamel dots that I have as well, just to put a little pop of color. And then this card right here, this is a polka doodle Winnie stamp. Really, really cute. You can't see, but the pumpkins have yellow, and then I did some stickles there. And then here's this one. And then I also used a matte die from, I think this one's Spellbinders. And I used some of the purple enamel dots from Nuvo. And these cardstock colors are from the kit. And then this one right here also uses a Spellbinders die. Paper from the card kit. This stamp is from the card kit. And then these die cuts are. And then this card right here is this pretty simple card. This one is using a die cut from Michaels. And then this die cut comes from the card kit, as well as this stamp right here, things that go bump in the night. I also use enamel dots. A really simple card. This one uses actually my favorite paper in the collection. I really liked this paper right here. And this is the die cut that came in the card kit. And this card kit is from Cardztv from Mary. And I did some enamel dots. Right? And then this is another polka doodle stamp. This one is Too Cute to Spook. Isn't that cute? So I went ahead and did my best to use all pieces of the paper. And then this is also Spellbinders die. And then I just stamped. I did some stickles on the stars. There's that one. And then this one right here uses a rosette that I had made. This is a stamp from the stamp sets that come in the kit, the die cut, and then I did some pom-pom trim. And then this one, I actually found that I had a Doodle Pop from Doodlebug that I had not used yet. So I thought that would go really well with this stamp, which says, I want my mummy. And this is from Tuesday Morning. This one right here. And then I just used some of the enamel dots. And let's see, this is a stamp from, what is that from? That's from, that is, I can't remember the company now, right? I have it sitting right in front of me and I just blanked. They are Darcy stamps. That's what they are. And so this is a newer one that I had gotten. And so I went ahead and just colored it in with my Copics. And this is all papers from that collection. This says Bewitching. And then enamel dots. Sorry, I'm tired. It's like 11 o'clock. And then this one right here says Boo. And this really cool ribbon ghost I got in a swap. Is that cute? So these are all the cards that I made. And so my plan is to put inside the card, I'm just going to put You've Been Booed. And I'm going to leave like a little treat in some of my colleagues' boxes, just for a little surprise for them. So I thought that'd be really cute. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with the Heart.